Looking for a creative way to maximize your space? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Today, we are building some amazing woodworking projects that are perfect for small spaces. Join me as we build some awesome woodworking projects that are perfect for small spaces. A wall-mounted shelf is a great way to add storage without taking up floor space. You can use it to display your favorite books. You can also use it to show off your favorite plants. You can even use it to display decorations. A wall-mounted key rack is a really handy thing to have. It helps you keep your keys organized in one place. That way, you won't waste time searching for them every time you need to leave the house. It also looks nice on your wall and can add a touch of style to your home. Plus, it's a great way to keep your keys safe and prevent them from getting lost. A jewelry organizer is a really cool way to keep all your jewelry in one spot. It can help you find what you want to wear much faster. You won't have to dig through drawers and boxes anymore. Also, it can make your jewelry look even more beautiful when it's displayed nicely. You can find jewelry organizers in all sorts of shapes and sizes. A small decorative box is like a tiny treasure chest. You can fill it with special things like jewelry, keepsakes, or even candies. It can also make a really cool gift for a friend or family member. You can decorate it with paint, stickers, or even glitter. It's a fun and easy project to make. And it's a great way to learn some basic woodworking skills. A foldable side table is a really cool piece of furniture. You can use it as a side table to hold your drink or book. You can also use it as a footrest to relax your feet after a long day. And if you have friends over, you can use it as extra seating. A compact bookcase is a great way to save space in your room. You can still enjoy your favorite books without taking up a lot of floor space. It's perfect for small spaces like apartments or bedrooms. Also, it can make your room look more organized and stylish. You can find compact bookcases in all shapes and sizes, so you can find one that fits perfectly in your space. A small stool is like having an extra seat ready when you need it. It's perfect for when you have friends over and need more places to sit. You can also use it as a footrest to relax your feet after a long day. And if you need a little extra height to reach something, a small stool can come in handy. So a small stool is a really versatile and useful piece of furniture to have around. Well, there you have it. 7 awesome woodworking projects that are perfect for even the smallest spaces. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY inspiration.